Welcome to First Garden, New Gardener. I'm Joey Baird. Well, you may have grown garlic for the first time this year, and now it's getting closer to harvest, and you see an additional growth coming out of it. Now, this is only prevalent on the hardneck garlic. The softneck garlic does not contain what is called scapes. This here is a scape. It's an additional growth that, if left alone, it will straighten up and it will get very high, put on a massive seed pod or flower that will contain the seeds. Now, those seeds, if planted, will take about 24 months, 2 years, if you was to plant them this fall in order to produce the bulb in which you're going to harvest. That's why we always recommend utilizing the cloves, the largest cloves out of the bulbs in which you've harvested this year, to plant in the fall and then harvest again next year and continue that harvest, like saving seed type of mindset there. So let's take a look at what we have here. We've got several different varieties of garlic, from Spanish Raw Heart to German Hardy to Georgia Crystal and a few other ones. But this is where this growth comes up. This is occurring about 2 to 4 weeks, give or take, based on your variety, before the plant is ready to harvest. And all you will do will come in here and cut it off. If you do not remove this, it's not going to kill the plant. However, more energy is going to be spent in creating this seed pod, this seed flower, and less energy going into the bulb development. So by removing this, it puts the plant into focusing on the bulb growth and maturity and making it larger, rather than utilizing the energy for the seed production. And we'll go through and remove all of these scapes. Now, what can you do with a scape? Pretty much anything you can do with a clove of garlic. What we have done is we'll take this, throw it on the grill as is, fry it up or char it and get it soft and eat it like that. You can also put it in stir fries. You can make pesto out of it, as well as you could literally, if you like garlic, you could just chop it up, mince it, and put it in a dish, or eat it raw. So it's not just a cut it off and throw it away product here. You're getting 2 harvests off your garlic. You're going to get this, the first harvest, and the bulb, the second harvest. So let me go through and cut all these off, and we'll see what we end up having. Okay, so we've got these all harvested, and you can see we've got a nice amount here. Now, again, many different options in which you can utilize these for. And for the big farmers who grow hundreds and hundreds and thousands of these, they will typically have a contract with a restaurant, because these are only available 2 weeks out of the year, and it's a premium, a delicacy for those restaurants. So once you've harvested them, don't worry about the plants. You've not hurt the plants at all. What you're going to want to begin to look for in about 2 weeks following, 3 weeks following the harvest is and there's a lot of weeds on these garlic plants here, but follow with me here. You'll begin to see the lower 2 sets of leaves die off or change from a dark green to a yellow to a brown. That's an indication to you that you can go ahead and harvest your garlic. Use a garden fork, pop it out of the ground. The plant does not have to be completely dead in order for you to harvest the garlic. And again, when you begin to see those leaves change colors, you want to harvest it, then you can hang it up and let it cure, because if you just let it sit in the ground until the whole plant dies, you may get a lot of water, you may get a lot of rain. It can begin to cause rot to occur in that bulb, and you've waited since October to harvest it, and we want to not waste what we've taken so much time to grow. Thanks for watching. This has been First Garden, New Gardener. As always, remember to rate, subscribe, and comment.